Welcome to Crafty Queens. I'm Isabel.
And I'm Elizabeth.
Today
we are going to be making homemade stickers.
See?
So
we're just gonna peel this
you
off.
just have to like
stick.
Okay, I'll stick the other one to you then. Okay. Whatever.
So yeah, let's get started.
It kind of feels like a tattoo.
So here's all the things you're gonna need. So you
Right
need
here.
glue, scissors,
Tape.
highlighter, tape, parchment paper, and scissors. Oh yeah, and regular paper. Okay. So let's
Start to this, yeah.
do the tutorial.
Okay. So first,
Yeah. So first you
draw
gotta.
it, and you can draw with anything really.
Yeah, we're just gonna use this pink highlighter though.
You can draw it. It'd be easier to draw in a corner by the edge somewhere, so because you have to cut it out. So you can draw anything literally.
So I'm just gonna write the word basketball
Oh yeah.
because we both love basketball. Okay. And now you're just gonna cut it out. If you're doing a picture, then you can like do it right on the edge, but I'm doing a word, so I'm not gonna take the risk of anything. Okay.
So you cut that out as neat as you want it, I guess. Like you can cut it out anyway.
So that's good
She's
enough.
cutting it out small. Okay, after you do that,
You're gonna get
the tape and
the parchment.
parchment paper.
You said
I call it
patty?
I call it patty paper because you can see through it.
So you're gonna take.
No.
Wait.
Put this
Yeah.
down.
First, I forgot about that.
You get a piece of tape and you put it down on this, face down. My hands are blue from our last video. And then she'll show you. Get a piece of tape, you rip it off,
And hold up. Yeah, that'll be on there, obviously.
and then you stick it on there.
Yep. It doesn't really have to be straight or anything, but do it kind of close to the edge.
And then you get the thing that you drew or something, and then you put glue on the back of it.
That's my sister. Put it on there really good. So
it sticks like
okay. Now
so. Then after you put the glue,
this
put it right on the tape. You see, y'all can kind of see the tape. We can't.
Okay, I can see it right here. Okay. And then you're gonna stick it on there really good, really firm.
Press
I like
it
to do
down.
this so I don't like ruin it, so I don't get dirt on the stick or anything. So I'll rub it down like that in case I have anything on my hands. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. And now
Get the tape again and put it on top of it. Once we put it on top of it, we'll come back. Okay, she's laying the tape on it. Took her forever to get that tape off the roll, but she did it. Now you just want to press it down a little bit more so the tape will stick.
really firm. Where is that roll tape? Here it is. This time you can just do it like that because there's tape over it. It's kind of laminated, I guess. Okay. So
Then you cut it out with scissors.
So. Oh yeah, and you have to use packing tape for this because if you just use like regular tape, it won't work as good unless you have like really, really clear Scotch tape or something like regular
There
tape.
is some that you can get from the store, but it's a big roll of it. It's a bigger roll than usual.
Or you can just get one of the small ones that you can rip off with, like one of those tape users, if you can find a really clear one. So there's my sticker now. It says basketball. And
So
I have a basketball tournament today.
That's really all that you do. And when
so
you want to stick
simple.
it somewhere, you peel the back off.
Yeah.
The parchment paper. And then So you do that and it sticks.
But I don't have anything to stick it to right now, so I won't do that. Anyways, guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. Like it, subscribe, hit the notifications bell.
Hit the notification bell,
And
subscribe. And
anyways, bye.
Bye.